Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to turn off Steam Client Webhelper. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, there's something important you need to know before we continue. You can't fully turn off Steam Client Webhelper in a normal or supported way. Webhelper is actually part of Steam's UI system, meaning it runs the store, library, friends list, and overlay. If you disable it completely, Steam usually breaks or automatically restarts it. However, you can reduce it or temporarily stop it, and that's exactly what we're going to do. To temporarily stop Webhelper, click the search bar in the bottom left corner of your screen. From there, type Task Manager into the search field. Click on the Task Manager app that appears in the results. This will open a window showing all the processes currently running on your computer. Now scroll through the list until you find Steam Client Webhelper. Once you locate it, right-click on it and select End Task from the menu that appears. This will immediately stop the process. Keep in mind that Steam may restart Webhelper automatically after a while, so this is more of a temporary solution. Alternatively, if you want a more permanent way to reduce Webhelper's activity, you can launch Steam in no browser mode. This significantly reduces how much Webhelper runs in the background. To do this, right-click on your Steam shortcut and select Properties from the menu. In the Properties window that opens, look for the field labeled Target. Click inside the Target field, and at the very end of the existing text, add a space followed by -no-browser. Make sure there's a space before the hyphen. Once you've added that, click Apply first to save the changes, and then click OK to close the window. Now, whenever you launch Steam using this shortcut, it will run in no browser mode, which means Webhelper will use far fewer resources. So there you have it. While you can't completely turn off Steam Client Webhelper without breaking Steam, you can either temporarily stop it through Task Manager or reduce its activity by launching Steam in no browser mode. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.